Words from Frank Lampard, and he's told us what analysis we've got to do, and I'm sure you would have done anyway. Tammy Abraham, a terrific start, third English player to score a hat-trick for Chelsea in the Premier League. The other two, Frank Lampard, of course, and one Gavin Peacock. What a start to the season for him.
Brilliant start to the season. He's under a little bit of pressure at the start for some reason. People saying he's not adjusted to it because he missed a couple of chances in the first games, but he's got a manager that's got faith in him. What I like about what he does with this one is that once he gets the touch, you're thinking, OK, just put it in there. But he knows the goalkeeper's going that side, and I like the way he pulls it back this way. This is where you're someone who's confident, and he drove it back there. You see the goalkeeper and the defender going that side.
This is a clever one, because if you watch this one here, he actually gives a tiny little tug on Conor Coady's arm there, just to get that split second in front of him. And that allows him to make that move, and the bullet header, and the goalkeeper's got absolutely no chance. Just a tiny little tug there, isn't it, on the defender, and that allows him, I said, that space to get in front of him.
But then he gives this as well. He's got he can stretch it. Now he gets a bit of luck with the first couple of touches, but once he stands him up straight and he squares him up, bada-boom!
Move your shoulder. 3, 4, 5, roll, and repeat 2 times.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.